Let me show you how to create and use a hotspot on your Samsung Galaxy Tab A11. Basically this tablet actually even comes with a physical SIM card slot, so we can actually load in SIM card and we can actually use SIM cards in up to 4G network. So it doesn't have 5G network abilities, but still in 4G you actually have very decent speeds here. So if you want, for example, enable the hotspot, so simply swipe down from your tablet from this corner here and you'll see these various icons. So if you swipe a bit down, so you see you have this hotspot icon. So to set it up, so if you want to enable it quickly, simply tap on it, but if you want to change the settings and set it up, simply click and hold on it. So if you hold, it basically brings you to the settings of it. So first, you see you can also change the name of the hotspot, so whatever you want basically, and also here we can change the password of it as well. And also we can even change the bands as well. So if for some reason basically the device you are trying to connect to this tablet doesn't find the Wi-Fi network, make sure to set it to the 2.5 GHz, as that is more older standard and more devices will be able to actually connect. Basically there also you see you have like more security things here, and also you can also disable this feature. So if your hotspot actually keeps turning off, so again, simply click never timeout and then it will never turn itself off automatically. So you see also different things here. So if we click save, basically, we can save the password here, obviously change it to whatever you want to, and then turn it on. So we can either, basically turn it on here. When it comes to negatives, however, you can't have active Wi-Fi network basically at the same time. So Wi-Fi obviously won't work when you actually turn on the hotspot, as you see. And then also the next time if you want to turn on the hotspot, so you can simply like toggle this icon here. So turn it on. Anyway, good luck.